Hi, my name is Graham, and today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about the JSON or JSON format and how to use it when creating Java applications. First of all, what is JSON? JSON is also known as JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight data interchange format, which means you can store and take data from this format. It is language independent, which means you can use it across various programming languages, including Java, Python, whatever language you can use to parse the JSON format. It's self-describing and easy to understand, which means like any person can look at a JSON page and just understand what it's saying to you. Like for example, I have a JSON page on the screen at the moment. This is from the Twitch API. It's for my own stream. It's showing various different. It's just showing information about my stream. For example, the game I was last playing, which was gaming talk shows, which isn't really a game. It's showing my stream's title, which was last when I was playing Overwatch. Like it tells me if the channel is set to be uh, a mature rating channel. Like this is just a boolean value. If it's true, then it is set to be mature. If it's false, then it's not. We have an integer value here for, I'm guessing it's the ID of my channel. Well, judging by what the key value is telling me. Generally, JSON pages won't show up like this. Like in this format, it will generally just show up as one big line or one big bulk of text. So in order to view it like this, on Mozilla at least, I'm using JSON View, which is available at jasonview.com. It's fairly lightweight. You don't even have to restart the browser once you install it. So I'm going to show you how to use this information in your Java programs. I've written up a little Java program here to just parse a JSON file and then take information from it. So first off, I have you have to use the JSON library, which is available at this link here. I'll post it in the description so that you can go there and download one of these files. They're ordered in terms of their last release date. So the earliest one was February 2016. So once you have that downloaded, you add it as a dependency to your file, and then you can use it to create JSON objects and also to parse them and take information from the JSON object itself. So what I'm doing first here is I'm creating a JSON object and just setting it to be null. This is so that if this try catch block doesn't actually create an object in this instance, it will just set it to be null and just move along, and this will be created if it is created, obviously. So what this is calling this parse JSON function here. I'm passing it the URL I was showing just earlier, this one here, which is for my channel description from the Twitch API, and I'm going like it takes the URL, it creates a buffered reader. It uses the URL as the input stream, and then down here it's reading the JSON file. It's reading the page line by line. It's appending each line to this string variable that I've initialized up here. And once it's finished reading every single line that's in it, this loop will end, and then it'll turn the string into a JSON object, a new JSON object here, and then it will return it up here. And then I can use this JSON object to reference all the different data types that are the various names that are available here. For example, just if I wanted to print out the object as it was, like as it came back from this function here, I just put the object in here and it will return just all the entire page is one long string, which is how it would have been created down here, because it just set it as one big long string. But if I wanted to, let's say, take the stream's title, the status value, I could just go in here, I could go object.get string status, and then run it, and it should return the title of the stream, which it did here. That's if you want to get just this value here. If you want to get sort of let's say we wanted to get this links object down here. This is a JSON object in a JSON object. So first of all, we're going to have to set this to get JSON object instead, underscore links, and that will do the same thing that happened the first time, except it will just take that one JSON object and output it, or it should do. That's what it's done here. It has all the different links that were in that JSON object here. Like it has features, subscriptions, they're all shown here. Like features is there, there's subscriptions. And if I wanted to get one piece of this JSON object, I just do it the same way. Like this is a JSON object, this is another JSON object. So if I wanted to get the string from one of these JSON values, I just go .get string, and then let's say I want to get the subscriptions link. Subscriptions. Then I run that. It should return the subscriptions link here, which it has done right here. And this is like JSON, and learning how to parse JSON is it's useful for a lot of different APIs that are available online at the moment, because you have the likes of the Twitch API, you have the Google Maps API, YouTube's API, the Twitter API. So I feel like it's useful to understand JSON and how to use and understand the format itself, and how to take the different values and then use them in an application that you've created yourself. I hope this video has been useful to you, and that's all from me. Thank you for watching.